Hi friends, WordPress is a simple and easy to use platform to create business website. Look at these websites. This is option 1. It is really very good. Option 2. This one is also good. Similarly, we have option 3. It is very stunning and stylish design is here. Option 4. It is also equally good. It is really very interactive. And this is option 5. All these options are available for our website project in a single theme called LadiLab, and LadiLab is an Elementor multi-purpose WordPress theme that we are going to overview in this video. We are going to use this LadiLab WordPress theme to create a stunning website like any of these. All these layouts are available in this single theme pack, and you can target any of these websites using this LadiLab WordPress theme. LadiLab is a dedicated theme using Elementor for business website, and it has got 5-star rating out of 80 sales. So you can easily assume it is a widely accepted WordPress theme, and it is available just for $39 through the link given in the video description. Once you decide buying this theme, you can follow the video description link, make a purchase, and start creating your website with the help of iCreate Mentors. All the necessary links I am adding in the video description, and we are going to create a website using this theme, and the theme has been developed by the Line Themes, and they are elite author at Envato Market. So this is going to give you all the great features at your website, and we are going to overview all these features in this video itself. Don't skip any part of this video because it is very important for you to understand the theme features, installation process, and what is available inside the theme before you take a buying decision. Because this channel, WP Themes, has hundreds of themes you can explore here. And I believe you are already a subscriber. You can explore other themes as well. So if you are coming to this channel very first time, you may please subscribe. And let us start creating website using this LadiLab WordPress theme that is available through the video description link. I have this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the fresh WordPress installation with the latest version of WordPress, and default 2023 WordPress theme is here, and our website is looking like this. And I am using this cPanel based hosting plan that you can also avail. This is a WordPress optimized hosting plan, and you can get it through WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the link. To start creating our website, first of all, I'll show you the theme pack that you are going to get from the Envato Market once you make the purchase. And this is the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have documentation, licensing, some plugins are here like end projects and the evaluation slider. This is the installable theme file, and the child theme is also included. So we are going to use this theme file for our installation purpose. To proceed with the installation, we can simply go to the dashboard and go to the appearance section, click on themes, and click on add new, upload theme, choose file. You have to follow simple steps, but these steps are really very important. You cannot skip any of these steps. So LadiLab is the theme, and here we have to select the LadiLab.zip file. Simply select this and click on install now. Once you click the install now, it will hardly take few seconds depending upon your server capacity, and you can see the theme had been installed successfully within 2-3 seconds. So let us go to the theme page. On the theme page, we can check. Now we have another theme along with the default theme. We can check the details. This is LadiLab version 1.0.2. Line Themes being the original developer of this theme, as I said, and it is a responsive WordPress theme by Line Theme, and you can simply use this theme for your business website project. It is Elementor based WordPress theme. I'll show you each and everything. Let us activate the theme first. And once activated, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Let us see what is here. 13 plugins are here, and I can summarily tell you which plugins are here for different purposes. So advanced custom fields has been used for adding custom fields and the website. Breadcrumb for breadcrumb navigations, contact Home 7 as usual. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. MailChimp for email subscriptions. One click demo import is for importing the demo content. This is single time use plugin. PowerPack Lite for Elementor, it is enhancing the Elementor features. Projects for handling the projects being displayed on the website. Revolution Slider is for showing the hero images at the website. SVG is for supporting the SVG format of image. Sticky menu is for enhancing the menu feature, that is going to be sticky. Widget CSS classes is for adding classes at widgets, and WooCommerce is of course here if you are willing to create an e-commerce website using this theme. So all 13 plugins are recommended only, but yes, these plugins are going to bring necessary features at our website. So this is not only recommended from my side, it is required as well. Later you can decide which features you don't want to use at your website, and you can deactivate and delete that particular plugin. So I have selected all and installing all 13 plugins, and I'll try to install all 13 plugins in one go. As you can see, I have selected all, selected install and clicked on apply. It may install all 13 plugins in one go. Just in case if it does not work, we will install the plugin one by one. Okay, in my installation it is showing critical error, and it is not like error, so I don't want to hide anything while I'm making such videos for installation and the overview. So plugin installation is a very simple process. Sometimes all plugins at one go does not work, and we need to install plugins one by one. It is nothing like technical thing, and you don't worry about these things. So you can simply install all plugins clicking by install links one by one, and it is certainly going to work, and I am showing you each and everything here. So like Elementor website builder, now I'm installing, and it will hardly take few seconds in installing each of these plugins. So MailChimp for WordPress is here. I just wish to show you the time and the steps so that you may very clear how you are going to install this theme, how you are going to use this theme, and how you can proceed for customizing your website. If you are not very much familiar with the WordPress and its activities and the features, even you can do this at your installation. Just in case if you are very new and you don't know how to configure the domains, how you can configure the website at the hosting, so you can watch the series of video available in another playlist called Learn WordPress on this channel. So you can simply follow the videos available there, and you can learn the WordPress from the very beginning. So it is not like a technical thing. You just need basic computer skills to create a website using WordPress, and it is really going to be very helpful for you. Even you are willing to make a digital agency, website development agency, and if you are planning a business, so everything can be available through this channel. And you can also join the iCreate program, as I said. So for project-wide descriptions, iCreate mentors are here to help you in every regard. So it is very, very interactive program, and you can simply create business website using these all options. Now finally we have installed the WooCommerce plugin as well, and now you can see all 13 plugins have been successfully installed without any trouble. Now at the next step, I am selecting all again and selecting activate now and clicking on apply. It is going to activate all 13 installed plugins in one go. So I believe this time it will work. While we are activating, yes, all 13 plugins have been successfully activated now. Now simply click on the dashboard. We may be redirected to a welcome page of Elementor. Yes. So simply cross this. We will be back on the dashboard again. And now here we are here, and we are fine with all set of plugins and the theme itself. And now I'm going to show you the website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look of website, and we have target website like any of these as is shown in the very beginning. So it is really very, very good design, and I found this theme randomly. So I like this feature very much. So it is available in white shade as well. So it is really is for navigations. It is very interactive. So this is the fifth option. Okay, so we may target any of these layouts, and our website is looking like this for now. And now we can proceed for importing the demo content. Once we finish the installation, I'll show you each of these options, what is additionally available here. So let us proceed for demo import. That is available import demo data under the appearance menu. I have simply clicked on the import demo, and there is only one option called import demo data. We can simply click on this. On the next page, some more plugins. We can simply click on continue and import, and this will begin the demo content import process. And it is simply written here, please sit tight while we import your content. Do not refresh the page or hit the back button. So our due patience is required here. We cannot disturb the page. Meanwhile, just in case, if you are eager to know what is going inside the screen, so we can open the media in another tab, and it is really bringing the content. So we have to wait here. And if we refresh this page after a minute or so, I can see 29 media items have been successfully imported, and the demo import process is going fine here. So we have to wait patiently here without disturbing the screen. So we are going to get a wonderful website after this process, and we have to wait until we get any message on this screen. And after around 4 minutes, I got this wonderful message, and it is simply saying, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So it is the coolest message I wish to see while demonstrating the themes. And now I am showing you what we got in this demo import. First of all, 181 media items. So it is nice that all the media items, even vector images, has been included in the theme demo data, so we can use these contents very simply, and all is available for our website. And now I am eager to refresh this page to check our new website, how it looks, and if it is working fine. Yes, so it is wonderful, and we got this wonderful website in no time, hassle-free, without any trouble. We have this complete website. We can simply start customizing our website, and we are going to create a professional website through these steps. And I can see all home pages are also available here. We can select any of these home page for our website project. All are available. So you don't need to import demos separately for selecting your desired home. 5 home pages are here. You can select any of these home page, and you can start customizing your website. Okay, it is really wonderful, and you can see the stylish inner page works are here. It is great one. So the filtration is also here. Shop option is also well available here. However, no items are here. About us page and other inner pages are also well available, and all in stunning look. So it goes without saying, it is a nice theme to select, and we can simply create a wonderful business website using this theme. And now I am taking you to the backend again, and let us assume we have this home page. We have selected this very first home page for our website project, and it is fine in every respect. So inner pages are well available. Social links are here, search mode, and everything that you need for your website. Taking you to the backend again, and I'll show you what are the additional tabs, what are the additional things available after this demo import and installation. Projects, we have to handle the live projects at the website from this section. And you can simply edit the project, what is available here, using the Elementor or the convenience. As per your convenience, simply use the Elementor page builder. You can use, or you can simply edit the contents here. So it is very simple to edit all these things. So you can add new projects, as many as you want. Just delete those the projects that you are not using. In fact, you have to delete all those things that you are not going to use at live website. It is important from the SEO perspective. And the Google indexing. Similarly, you have to manage all the products if you are using the website for e-commerce. Some products are also here, so you can configure the products display, and you can edit the existing product just in case to upload your own. Next, I can see nothing is new here. All are default things, just in case if you want to change the advanced custom field settings, it is here. And the slider revolution part is available here for editing the slider content. So whatever the slider is being used, like if you are using the home one, you can edit the home one slider from here. And it is very simple, but yes, when you are editing the slider evolution, you have to be very careful. Don't disturb the settings. You can simply change the text and the images, and just keep in mind you have to use the same dimension of images and text that has been used in the demo content. Rest will be fine. And as I said, you can simply ping us through the comment section of this video. You can join the program called iCreate, and you can even reach us through the WP Themes website. All links are available in the demo itself. I mean the description itself. So I'll take you to the front end again, and you can simply start editing your website contents using the edit with Elementor option. Just load the page just open the page that you want to edit. Let us say we are willing to edit the page. This section can be edited in the Revolution slider. For the rest of the section, click on edit with Elementor and you will be able to edit the page contents. Simply cross all these things and go to the area that you want to edit, and the content will be ready available for editing. It is very simple, so simple, but yes, you just need to pay attention on the dimension of images. Don't disturb the rest of settings. If simply you can control all the things, you don't need any technical skills, designing skills for doing all these things. Simply change the contents and make it live. So I believe this theme is really going to give you a very stunning website, and the theme is called LadiLab. This is Elementor Multipurpose WordPress theme, and you can simply buy the theme by following the video description link. What is the advantage of buying the theme through the link, that is from Invite to Market through the link? It is going to give you access on the iCreate program, where we are going to help you in every respect in making your website live and up. Okay, so just buy the theme, start creating your website. You can do this, and in the next video, I'm coming with more WordPress resources. Till then, goodbye, keep building. Thank you.